What if I told you the only thing standing between you and your dreams is you? Every morning is a chance to start fresh. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Say it with me. I believe in myself. Your dreams are closer than you think. Visualize your success. Feel it in your heart. I am unstoppable. Challenges? They're just stepping stones. Keep moving forward. I can overcome any obstacle. Your potential is limitless. Embrace it. I am worthy of my dreams. Believe in yourself, and the world will believe in you too. I am a dreamer, and I will achieve my goals. So go ahead, take that first step. Your future self is cheering you on. I am the author of my own destiny. End with a smile, because you've got this. Unlock your potential, and let your dreams take flight.